Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So basically, while we're out here doing Postmates and just chilling, I came across an issue with my Visible service. So I decided to reach out to Visible and kind of get that squared away. But then I noticed there was something new that literally is going on with Visible themselves. And it's called Party. So what I'm thinking is that Visible basically has been listening to a lot of us that's been asking for some sort of family deal. And they came up with their own version of like a family deal. Sorry, notifications coming in. And that pertains to a group of people on Visible collectively together, getting discounts for however many people that's in the party. So initially, you would basically set up a party, and for those people that you know that have Visible, you would send an invite to them to join your party, and by them doing so would create discounts. So for having one additional member, knocks off $5 off both lines. 2 members knocks off $10 off both lines, or off all 3 lines. And having 4 members knocks off $15. So initially, if you had 4 people in your party, including yourself, so that's 3 other people added on with you, it would be $25 per line. So kind of getting like that family discount without really having to join all these accounts under one email or under one main account. Per se, you just have the party owner and then 3 additional members under. Now, the total people that you can have in the party is 4 people. That's including yourself. Okay, so basically 4 lines altogether, $25 each line. That's $100 for 4 lines, which is pretty much what you're seeing out there. But there is one caveat to this, and that's the simple fact that they're doing away with the referral program. So for those people who've been using the referral program under Visible to get $20 off your bill, basically making your bill monthly $20, that's gone away. So I verified that by chatting with a rep, and he was able to say that you know, going forward there will be no more referral program. Party is where you're going to get your discounts from. And the max that you're going to be able to get per line technically off is $15 if you have 4 members total in the party group. So $25 per line. I'm not sure why they wanted to do away with the referral program, but I'm assuming that the referral program was doing very, very well. I can attest to that, as I was getting notifications like every couple of weeks, you know, 2 or 3 notifications that, you know, someone had used my referral code to sign up with Visible. So, yeah, looks like that the referral thing was doing so good. And to answer a lot of us who wanted a family plan, they gave it to us in the form of this version called Party. Hybrid, a little bit different, but technically around the same as what a family plan would be. And again, $25 per line is the max. If you have 4 on your party, then it's $25 for each line, $100 for service. So not too bad of a thing. And who knows, maybe there might be more added on to Party as it grows. So definitely take a look into that. If you're a Visible customer, look into that. If you know people that have a Visible account that would join your party, go ahead and set up your party. Very easy to do. Name your party. Like my party's called The Weird Ones, and I already have it pretty much filled. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, before I end this, if you already had, like, say, like in the beginning of October, someone signed up with your referral code, they passed the 30-day mark, you get a $20 credit, right? If you have that $20 credit sitting and then you start a party and you add a person today, there's also a promotion that if you start your party, you get an automatic $15 credit just for starting your party. That's a first-time promo. And when you get that, that will actually be stackable on top of that $20 credit you already got. So my bill coming up on November 9th should only be $5, as I already had a $20 credit sitting and waiting. That's going to apply to the November 9th bill. And then the $15 promo, which would then knock off another $15. So that makes it that my bill for November 9th going forward for that month only would be $5. So not a bad deal. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for right now. Let me know what you guys think by dropping your thoughts in the comment section of the video. If you just found my channel and subscribed, thanks so much for doing so. I am recording this on my Chromebook. I got it back. It's working well so far. So, yeah. And I'll talk to you on the next one. And as always, aloha.